Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love and support. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I've come up with the designing of this plain t-shirt and making the outfit to look. I'm gonna use old t-shirt. And the materials I'm gonna use is the pearls, stone lace, fabric glue, thread and needle. So let's start with the giving of the markings. As per your desired requirement, you can mark it. Firstly, I'll mark in the center and followed with the side dots. Again locating the center. Like this we have to mark. Now using 2 strands thread to stitch the pearls. On the marked dot, start stitching the pearls. Place the plastic sheet underneath so that the glue will not be transferred to another side. Measure the stone lace, placing it like this all around the pearl. Now cut according to this length. Apply the glue all around this pearl. Now stick the gold stone lace. Let it dry for 2 to 3 hours and the final lookout is here. Isn't it looking so amazing? Try this type of creative designer pearl and stone lace work on saree blouses, dresses and crop tops. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Thank you so much for watching.